Hello everyone, thank you for the opportunity given to me. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My full name is Giovanni Cristoforo Tatu, and I'm 18 years old. I'm from 3C Construction Building Study Program, and I'm in third semester in my major, my department, civil engineering. And now I will do a presentation and discuss about this topic, building supplies, which is this topic is from Unit 4. And I'm from Group 6 and also I'm a leader of this team. Okay, next, my subtopic. My subtopic is building materials. And in building materials, I want to explain about introduction and classification of building material, main building material and selection factors, and the third is modern trends of building materials. Building materials. What is building materials? Why is very important for construction project? So, building material are any substance used in the construction process to build a structure, and these materials can be a natural or industrial product. The primary function of building materials is to provide structural support, protection, and aesthetic to a building. The importance of building materials. The selection of building materials is a very strategic decision in every construction project, and this decision will greatly influence the quality, durability, and beauty of the resulting building. By understanding the various types of building materials and how to select them, we can construct stronger, more durable, and efficient structure. This presentation will assist you in making informed decision about the selection of building materials for construction project. We entering the topic or the main topic is introduction and classification of building materials. Materials have or we have in construction in building materials we have natural building materials and artificial building materials. So what makes different natural building materials and artificial building materials? So natural building are that are directly obtained from nature without undergoing complex manufacturing processes. The general characteristic of these materials include sustainability, weather resistance, and often possess high aesthetic value. Advantage of natural building materials. Environmentally friendly. Natural building materials are more environmentally friendly because most of them can be obtained directly from nature without industrial process that cause pollution. In addition, these materials are often recoverable or decompose easily in nature. And the next is relatively low cost. Many natural building materials can be obtained at a lower cost, especially if the natural resources are available locally, reducing shipping or transportation costs. And next is availability. Natural materials such as wood, stone, and earth are generally easy to find in many areas, making them more accessible compared to modern building materials that often require manufacturing and distribution process. And you can see here are some examples of commonly used natural building materials, which is stone. Stone is one of the oldest natural building materials. It has been used as a foundation material for walls, floors, and other building structure. Some commonly used types of stone include bricks, andesite, limestone, and marble. And the second is wood. Wood is used in various building elements, including roof, frames, walls, floors, and beams. Wood is relatively lightweight, easily obtainable, and easy to process materials. Types of wood commonly used for construction, including teak, meranti, and pine. And the third is soil. Soil or clay is often used as a natural building material. in form of bricks or eco-friendly walls. In some culture, clay or soil is used to make walls for traditional houses. And the fourth is bamboo. Bamboo is a very popular natural material in tropical countries. Due to its lightweight yet strong properties, bamboo is often used for roof construction, walls, and even for larger structural building materials. And the last is sand. Sand is a natural material used in the manufacture of concrete, and mortar sand is a very important raw material for construction. And we're entering the artificial building materials is materials that are sourced directly from nature and used in construction without significant industrial processing. These material often have a lower environmental impact compared to man-made material. And cement is an artificial metal, which is the production process is raw material mining. The mined ingredients are limestone or calcium carbonate and clay. And the next is grinding and mixing. Limestone and clay are ground together into a fine powder and mixed with additional metal such as silica, sand, or iron ore. Heating process. The mixture is heated in a kiln at a temperature of around 1450. Clinker. And the next is final grinding. The clinker is cooled, finally ground, and gypsum is added to control the setting time of the cement. And the next is packaging. Cement is packaged in bag for distribution, and cement have product example such as Portland cement, Pozzolana cement, and slag cement. And the next artificial building materials is ceramics and tiles. Manufacturing process. Raw material preparation, clay, kaolin, and other mineral metals are processed into slurry, and the next is forming. The slurry is formed through molding or pressing, drying and firing. The product is dried and fired fired in a kiln at high temperatures. Coating and finishing. Tiles are coated with glaze to add strength and aesthetic. Examples of derivative products is floor tiles, ceramic roof tiles, and porcelain. And the next is main building materials and selection factors. Is cement, sand, gravel function in concrete mixture, and red bricks, reinforced concrete wood use and characteristic. Cement, sand, gravel function in concrete mixture. The first is cement. Function as a binder that sticks sand and gravel together when mixed with water, and provide high comprehensive strength after hardening. And the second is sand. As a fine aggregate in concrete mix, it provides structure and fills voids between gravel. Next is ensure smooth and even concrete surface roof. And the third is gravel. As a coarse aggregate, it provides the main comprehensive strength to the concrete, reduce shrinkage of concrete during the hardening process. And the next is red brick, reinforced concrete wood use and characteristic. Red bricks used as a material for building walls, fire resistant, and provides good thermal insulation. And characteristic of red bricks is strong, durable, easy to install, but heavier than alternative such as lightweight bricks. And the second is steel bar, uses as a concrete structure reinforcement, used in the construction of beams, columns, and floor slabs. Characteristic of steel bar is strong, tensile strength, flexible is forming, and has high resistance to loads. And the last is wood. Wood used as a like structural material, such as roof frames, doors, windows, and furniture. Characteristic of wood is easy to shape, lightweight, aesthetic, but susceptible to termite and moisture attacks. And the next is complementary materials. Complementary materials is mortar. Mortars, a mixture of cement, sand, and water used to bond bricks or ceramics. And plaster. Plaster, a mixture of cement or gypsum to cover the surface of the wall, providing a flat and smooth result. And paint, used to coat the surface, providing protection and aesthetic to walls or building structures. And complementary materials. Ceramic adhesive for installing ceramic tiles. And the next is waterproofing. They protect the structure from water leaks, glass wool or styrofoam as a thermal and acoustic insulation materials. And entering waste factor influencing the selection of building materials. The first, building function. In residential building require comfortable, aesthetic, and environmental friendly metal, such as wood for interiors or red bricks for thermal insulation. Industrial building prioritize strength and durability, such as reinforced concrete and steel. 2. Climate. Tropical areas chose heat and humidity resistant material such as clay, tidal roof, and plaster walls that help ventilation. Cold areas require thermal insulation material such as laminated glass and wood panels. And next is budget. Materials are chosen according to budget. Economical materials such as lightweight bricks for efficiency or precast concrete for large construction with control costs. And the last is aesthetic. Aesthetic is a factor influencing the selection of building materials, which is aesthetic, have affect visual design. For example, the use of glass for a modern look, or natural stone for a natural and elegant feel. So the last of my presentation is conclusion. My conclusion is main building materials such as cement, sand, gravel, red brick, reinforced concrete, and wood. It has its own specific function and characteristic in construction. The importance of selecting building materials, choosing the right materials ensures a sturdy building and innovation to continue learning. The role of construction continue to develop with new technology and building materials. Let's continue to broaden our insight on building materials innovation to produce more efficient, environmentally friendly, and high quality buildings. Thank you so much for your attention. In last presentation, I hope you can know about my presentation with topic building supplies with subtopic building materials. And I hope in my presentation you can know about building materials and you can implement it in your life as engineer. And after that, you can make a good stronger structure if you already know material building materials. And thank you so much and see you.